The Nike LeBron 23 Heat Wave celebrates one of the most iconic eras in NBA history, the legendary Heatles super team of LeBron James, Dwyane Wade, and Chris Bosh. This new colorway highlights Miami's unforgettable energy with a striking iridescent lower panel, bold cheetah print upper, Miami pink accents, and a special Heatles emblem placed on both the heel and a metal charm. Its design pays tribute to LeBron's dramatic 2010 move to South Beach, a decision that shook the league and sparked his villain arc while forming the modern concept of a superstar-built super team. Even after winning 2 championships in Miami, LeBron returned to Cleveland, completing the greatest comeback in NBA Finals history in 2016. This sneaker honors the journey that reshaped his legacy and changed the NBA forever. The LeBron 23 Heat Wave is set to release on December 12, 2025, at Nike basketball retailers for $210.